Hey, Justin Shelton here with Etched. Hi, Josh Shelton. Obviously, brothers. Many of you guys know us, hopefully, and have met us, but we have started this company, Etched, 4 years ago, manufacturing stainless steel and aluminum tags. Previous life, didn't get out and see the customers as much, although I knew people by name, didn't have a chance to really have that face-to-face connection. And what I found is that going out, seeing customers, getting in front of people, and getting to know customers has been not only rewarding for me, but as a business, it's helped our business tremendously be able to add value to our customers. So, one of the things that we found when we first started talking to customers in this industry is that, it was really ripe for some innovation. There was not a lot of changes being made to either tag design or delivery methods. We do go on site and we do see customers' facilities. We are kind of seeking to find the next problem that we can solve. I mean, that's the value we add. We know it's tags. We know that it may be perceived as a small piece of our customer's business, but we want it to be a great experience. And so a lot of times what we found was companies just didn't know there was another way to do it or a better way to do it. And so we've been able to bring that to some of our customers. I think that's really what's led to some of our success and some of our customer loyalty that we've gotten over the years. And to add to those points, I think that with that stagnant market and not a lot of change prior to Etched coming along, what happened was that the experience became an expected experience. So anywhere from the order approval process being just an assumed kind of thorn in everyone's side, something that simple, what we found was there was easier ways to do things, right? And so we wanted to make that process, even though that's just part of the process of buying a tag, we wanted to make that a better experience for our customer. That's how it began. How do we take orders from our customers and make that an easier process for them to do on a daily basis? So what we found was that it was a lot of little things that were just pain points for our customers that we could solve really, really easily. Now we've come up with some also more complicated solutions as well, but it really began with the small stuff. How can we make it easier for them to do business with us? Many of our customers in the rigging market have tags that are similar in size, shape, and look, but they're different in every way when it comes to the graphics and text that are on them. So what we were finding is that they might be calling them different things, similar to what you might find in the shop. Somebody might call a specific tool tool A, the next guy might call it tool B, but it's actually the same tool. So what we found was that there was some complication inside the rigging shop. What tags do I need to order exactly? I'm hearing this, but I want to double check what these tags are that I need to be ordering. And then when the order was placed, there were minimums involved or different things like that were causing some complication. I need to get pricing. I need to update my pricing. What we were finding is that it might take up to several hours of work cumulatively to place an order for tags. There's no way that should be the case. One of the things that we have developed here at Etched is an online tag store for customers, specifically with all of their tags online, one simple place for them to go to see an image of their tag with some basic proof information. Their pricing is there. All they need to do is within a few clicks, they can order exactly the tag that they want, and they're looking at that and they're confirming the tag by the part number, by the image and the description of the tag, as well as the pricing that they can expect to pay. And within a few clicks, they were able to place their order and have assurance that they're ordering, what the tags that they want to have. So we take something that was taking somebody up to a few hours to place an order to make sure they had what they wanted, down to just a few minutes. And that was a nice gain for many of our customers who are taking advantage of that tag store. As soon as we implement the tag store for a customer, it's like this light bulb goes off in their head and they say, wow, this is the way it should have always been for me, right? I love this. And what we're hearing is that the tags go from something that's kind of complicated and even a little bit of anxiety involved in ordering the tags because they want to make sure they have the right ones, to just a really simple few clicks and I'm done and I know everything's right. So for us, very positive, gives them more time in their day to get done what they want to get done, versus messing with their tags. They don't need to be doing that anymore. So unexpectedly running out of tags is a very common problem in our industry. It's something that happens very frequently, and it can be a potentially serious issue for our customers. I know when I say that to our customers, I typically see a lot of head nods like, yeah, that happens to us, or it happens all the time. I probably don't have to tell you what some of those issues that can be caused are, but it really comes down to not being able to ship product when you need to ship it and letting your customers down. So we knew that was a serious problem that we had to solve, and we've done that in two different ways. One of them is a more proactive solution with TIM, Tag Inventory Manager, where we make sure that you never run out of tags. And the other one is the Tag Warehouse, where we put ourselves in a position to make sure that we can react really quickly if you ever have this issue. The first one, to proactively make sure this doesn't happen for our clients, is TIM, the Tag Inventory Manager. And that's a system that we install at our customer's facility that we monitor their inventory remotely, and we establish mins and maxes with our customers, and when they hit a min, we ship them tags. So they never run out of tags. And that system is really meant to be a turnkey, set it up, and our customers never have to worry about their tags again. And that's what that is. So that's what it's been for our clients. So sometimes what we do is we take a step back, and instead of preventing the issue from happening proactively, we just make sure we can react quickly and be in a position to ship tags the same day if an emergency does happen for our clients. And that's what we call our tag warehouse. So we get some agreements with our customers, and we stock a certain amount of parts for them at our facility, and they know that if they call us, that we can ship tags the same day. So that's the bottom line is we want to have our customers back when this emergency does come up. So the number one issue that we hear from our rigging shop customers when it comes to tagging is tags coming off the slings. And we've heard it over and over again, and we've heard it for years, and we've heard it enough, and we saw that there's really no innovation in the market when it comes to solving this problem. And all of those things coming together made us realize that we need to solve this problem. And the tube tag is our answer to that problem. The tube tag is essentially, it's designed to not come off the sling. So it's a tag that captures the sling on all four sides, and you can be installed over the sleeve or over the rope. There's two different methods. Different customers have different preferences, so we would design two different ways to do that. And it's got four sides to provide information to your clients, whatever you may need. So warning information, capacity rating information, your company branding, and it also can be engraved just like your normal tag. It's tough to make tags a differentiator for customers, but really the tube tag is that. It's a differentiator for you to be able to bring to market to your customers so that you're solving that one problem they have with this sling tags flying off. I think as a rigging industry, we've grown to love the industry and love the people that are in it. And we look forward to continuing to grow with you. And we've done that because we know that we're not going to do it just because you like to see us every once in a while. We're going to do that because we can help businesses and help solve problems. So we challenge you to come to us if you've got an issue with your tags, if you've got an issue with your attachment, if there's anything surrounding the tagging portion of your business. We want to hear from you. We really do. And we're going to do all that we can do to solve that problem for you.